with tables and tags. This tutorial demonstrates how to place object data into tables. Exercise 1, Creating a Parcel Area Table. In this exercise, you will create a table to display information about parcel objects. Open labels 4a.dwg, which is located in the My Civil 3D Tutorial Data folder. Open labels parcels.dwg, which is located in the My Civil 3D Tutorial Data folder. In labels parcels.dwg, zoom in so that you can see all of the parcels adjoining East Street, which is the cul-de-sac alignment on the right-hand side of the drawing. You will apply a simpler area label style to parcels 37 through 41, and then create a table that will display detailed parcel data. In Tool Space, on the Prospector tab, expand Site. Click the Parcels collection. In the item view at the bottom of Tool Space, use Shift+click to select parcels number 37 through 41. Right-click the Area Label Style column heading. Click Edit. In the Select Label Style dialog box, select Parcel Number. Click OK. The parcel area label consists of the parcel number only. In the following steps, you will create a table that displays detailed information about each of these parcels. Create a parcel area table. Click Annotate tab Labels and Tables panel, Add Tables menu, Parcel Add Area. In the Table Creation dialog box, in the Select by Label or Style area, in the Parcel Number row, select the Apply checkbox. You can select multiple styles from which to create the parcel table. All the parcels that use the selected styles will be shown in the table. Click OK. When you move the cursor into the drawing area, the upper left corner of the table is attached to the cursor. Move the cursor to the right of the parcels and click. The table is inserted into the drawing. On the Quick Access toolbar, click Save. Close the Labels Parcels drawing. Examine the results in the current drawing. In Drawing Labels 4a, on the command line, enter XREF. In the External References palette, right-click Labels Parcels. Click Reload. The current drawing is rebuilt using the updated data from the Labels Parcels drawing. Notice that the parcel area table you created in the externally referenced drawing is shown, and the parcels at the end of the East Street alignment use the parcel number area label style. Parcel area table added to an externally referenced drawing. Exercise 2, Converting Labels to Tags. In this exercise, you will create some parcel segment labels, and then convert the labels to tags and move the data into a table. Label the parcel segments. Note: this exercise uses labels 4a.dwg with the modifications you made in the previous exercise. Click Annotate tab Labels and Tables panel, Add Labels menu, Parcel, Add Parcel Labels. In the Add Labels dialog box, specify the following parameters. Label type, multiple segment. Line label style, parcel line label style bearing over distance. Curve label style, parcel curve label style delta over length and radius. Click Table Tag Numbering. In the Table Tag Numbering dialog box, examine the settings that are available. The settings specify the starting number and increment for line, curve, and spiral tags. Notice that there are separate starting number and increment properties for both table tag creation and table tag renumbering. For this exercise, accept the default value of 1 for all properties. When you convert the labels to table tags, they will all use a starting number and an increment of 1. You will use the table tag renumbering properties later. In the Table Tag Numbering dialog box, click Cancel. In the Add Labels dialog box, click Add. Click the parcel area labels in the following order: 39, 40, 41, 37, 38. Press Enter to accept the default clockwise label direction. As you click, labels are placed on each parcel segment. If you wish, zoom in to inspect the labels before you convert them to tags. Parcel segment labels. When you finish labeling parcels, right-click to end the command. The Add Labels dialog box remains open, in case you want to label more parcels or other objects. You can close it, as you will not use it again in this exercise. Place the segment labels in a table. Click Annotate tab Labels and Tables panel, Add Tables menu, Parcel, Add Segment. This option creates a table that shows both the line and curve segments of the labeled parcels. In the Table Creation dialog box, in the Select by Label or Style area, select the Apply checkbox for the two label styles you placed on the parcel segments. Parcel curve, delta over length and radius. Parcel line, bearing over distance. Click OK. When you move the cursor into the drawing, the upper left corner of the table is attached to the cursor. Move the cursor outside the surface extents and click. The table is inserted into the drawing. Notice that the line and curve labels around the parcels have been converted to tags. Parcel segment labels converted to tags, with a parcel segment table added to drawing. Exercise 3, Renumbering Table Tags. In this exercise, you will renumber the table tags you created in the previous exercise. Examine the table tag numbering settings. Note: this exercise uses labels for A.dwg with the modifications you made in the previous exercise, or you can open labels for B.dwg from the Tutorials Drawings folder. In Tool Space, on the Settings tab, right-click the drawing name. Click Table Tag Numbering. In the Table Tag Numbering dialog box, notice that the table tag creation starting number values are not 1 as they were exercise 2, converting labels to tags. The starting number values are the next available numerals based on the line, curve, and spiral tags that exist in the drawing and the specified increment value. If you add more table tags in the drawing, these values prevent the duplication of tag numbers. Note: the Table Tag Numbering dialog box specifies the tag numbering settings for all objects. The settings that you specify in the following steps will apply to table tags for all objects. Under Table Tag Renumbering, accept the default values. For this exercise, you will restart the curve numbering at 1 and use an increment of 1. Click OK. Renumber the table tags. In the drawing, zoom into the area around the cul-de-sac at the end of the East Street alignment. Click a label tag to select it. Click Labels tab, Modify panel, Renumber tags. Click Tag C6. You are notified that tag number 1 already exists. If you press Enter, the next available curve tag will be applied to this tag. For this exercise, a duplicate tag is acceptable, because you will continue the renumbering to resolve duplicates. On the command line, enter C to create a duplicate curve table tag. The curve table tag now appears as C1. Press ESC. Repeat steps 3 through 5 on the remaining curve table tags, so that the curve table tags are labeled C1 through C7 clockwise around the cul-de-sac. Table tags, original and renumbered. Pan to the parcel line and curve table you created in exercise 2, converting labels to tags.